Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be continuing on with how to draw cartoonears, part 3. So let's get into it. Alright guys, and for this last set, we're going to have some fun with it. So for our first ear, we're going to come up with this line right here, and then we'll kind of curve in. And you can see how the ear have a point right there. Next, we could go ahead and start working on the inside detail for the ears right here. So we could first put in this line. Then we'll put in this triangle shape to end it off. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we finished with this ear. And you can see we did our elf ear. And we actually gonna do our other one right now. So let's continue. And for this elf here, we're going to stretch it out. We're going to really bring out this line a lot more, as you can see right there. And then we will just curve back. And lastly, we could put in the detail for the ear, which will be a simple line. Alright guys, and we completed all the ears. And I think we have a good variety. So you guys could, give yourself a pat on the shoulder. But with that being said, we're going to kick it into time lapse to do all the inking. And we'll be back for the colors. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and don't get me started on inking, please. But luckily for us, the inking process for doing these ears, it wasn't that bad. And with that, we hope you guys learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.